Your aircon not so cold. Then the bill is high. Try this trick. This can you shock the result.
Watch till end, but before that, can you subscribe my channel for more tips and ideas? I install hose at the top of condenser. This hose have a little hole 1-inch gap. The purpose of this idea is to condense early the freon running into the tube part of the condenser, and it can lower the pressure inside so fast. We have a container foam. I install a windshield washer motor 12 volts. I put a water inside a level from an input of a motor. I install a rapid relay so that the water not so pressurized. We install it now. I remove this drainage waterway so that the water from Aircon automatic goes down into this container. We have a battery. Now the motor is running. The sounds like machine gun. Then the water goes up to hose. We install it. The water is recycling to this system I install. You see the water goes down to this fins line. This method removes heat from the fins, so that it can condense so fast. Decrease a high pressure. My settings before is 6, now I put into 4. Cold so fast. What do you think this idea? Can this things decrease the bill? Can increase cold inside? Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.